So imagine the vibrant, rich traditions of our New Yam Festival transported all the way to Yorkshire in UK. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just imagination, it's reality, and it has been the tradition from time immemorial. Yes. Welcome, Ndi Igbo and friends around the world. Today we have something truly special for you all. In this exclusive video, we are bringing you the breathtaking celebration of the New Yam Festival as our Igbo brothers and sisters in the UK come together to honor this cherished tradition of ours. But wait, it gets even better. Get ready to witness the grand entry of the Ndi Zenozo in the UK, a spectacle so magnificent. It will actually make you feel proud to be Igbo. The pageantry, the colors, the energy, everything about this entry is just pure magic. It's a celebration that not only highlights our culture, but also showcases the beauty of our traditions on an international stage. Have you, as a proud Igbo, celebrated your own Iriji festival? If yes, well, when was that? And if no, when is your New Yam Festival likely to take place? Kindly let us know in the comment section below. You are watching Ebony People TV.
Presenting the kola nut to our president, who will then present to the members of the high table. See, our women can dance, you will see them later. Okay, this is them again coming in to give a welcome dance. This is our woman leader. This is a group of women, timber and caliber. You see, beautiful women, lovely mothers, dancing to the beats, dancing to the songs. You know, one thing with Igbo women, they will all be glamorous. This beautiful lady acknowledged me. Yeah, okay, this is my friend as well. Yeah.
As you watch this video, you'll be captivated by the joy and pride of Ndi Igbo, as well as the stunning display of our cultural heritage, from the vibrant attire to the traditional dances. Every moment is a testament to the strength and unity of the Igbo community abroad. And let's be real, this is one of those moments you don't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and let your eyes feast on the most beautiful celebration you'll see online today. And also, if you're as thrilled as we are about this celebration here on Ebony People TV, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow Ndi Igbo. Let's spread the joy and pride of our culture far and wide. Enjoy the video and may you find as much joy in watching it as we did in bringing it to you. For more amazing content on our vibrant Igbo heritage, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Igbo Kweno!
I didn't have enough time for them, but yeah, I tried to catch them in my video at least for some time. This is my bestie. Alright, so this is the cultural trip again with the masquerade. What is an Igbo function without the masquerade? Mao must come out now, you know. So this is one of it. I like when they chase people out, they try to scare people. Yeah, that whole trail is really cool. So this is at the trip again. They were not performing to the hall. This is the second masquerade. The big one came out. You know, when the masquerade comes out, everyone rejoices and all of that. So we're outside. I caught this one trying to dance. I don't know what he was doing, but yeah. The trail of chasing again. I love it. So these are the women of I think this is Mountain Kings. Yeah. With the kings and give the dance. And this Liverpool. Yeah, my friend caught this video from me. I was too busy. But yeah, this is all from Liverpool. The cultural dance. Now this is our women again. From the Igbo Union Yorkshire. They dance, they get energy. So this is why we're here, Iriji, New Yam Festival. So we have the AZG doing the honors. I'll just leave it to listen to it and see what he says. So you can learn from it as well. Here now he's going to test the yam to see if it is ready. You know, yam harvest. He has to test it to see if it is ready, if it is properly cooked and all of that. So he tests it, gives the signal that it's fine, that it's ready for harvest, and we all cheer and we are happy. So this is Dons, my brother. He called his friends to assist with the yam as well. So this is the youths of the Igbo Union, Yorkshire. My humble self being the assistant coordinator. That's my coordinator by my side, Iriji. Just give a group dance. I love how the uniform turned out. Everyone looking very fine, very colorful, beautiful, Where is love? That's represented. Yeah, beautiful dance. We enjoyed ourselves absolutely. Yeah. Our coordinator is also one of the live band members. So that's why we use the live band to dance. It was more beautiful like that. And if you know me, you know that anywhere I hear live band, anywhere I hear again, I will dance. Even in the market, I will dance. I'm just a push girl at heart. So this is how I dance into I dance. Again, it's my brother. It's my number now. I'm from number now. Thank you, guys. Yeah. So we're dancing to him. I love his songs. Love his songs. And of course, if I hear music, I will dance. This is Mr. Sly. He dance. We're just here having fun. It was a beautiful, beautiful event. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. See you again in 2 years. This is done every 2 years.